Jeffrey Epstein is expected to appear in federal court in New York today. The disgraced financier is in jail awaiting trial. He is accused of sexually abusing dozens of underage girls, some as young as 14 years old. Mola Lenghi is at the Metropolitan Correctional Center in New York City, where Epstein is being held. Mola, what do we expect today?
Well, good morning. Today, prosecutors and defense attorneys are expected to discuss a possible trial date for Jeffrey Epstein. The 66-year-old registered pedophile is on around-the-clock, 24-hour suicide watch here at the correctional facility after just last week he was found injured, disoriented, and crying on the floor of his jail cell. That incident remains under investigation. The U.S. Attorney's Office tells me that apparent suicide attempt could be brought up later in court today. Earlier this month, Epstein was charged with sex trafficking and conspiracy charges for the alleged sex abuse of underage girls in the early to mid-2000s, charges that Epstein pleaded not guilty to. Federal Judge Richard Berman later denied Epstein's multi-million-dollar bail proposal, so Epstein is expected to remain in custody here at the correctional facility through his trial. Today's hearing comes as we await the release of nearly 2,000 pages of sealed documents from a civil case that could greatly expand the scope of this investigation.
Well, we've been awaiting the release of those documents for a while now. What exactly do we think is in them?
That's something a lot of people are wondering. Many questions about what is in those documents. Names specifically is what we're expecting to learn, and how those names are linked, allegedly linked to Jeffrey Epstein. But the nature of those relationships, Anthony, that is what remains unclear.
All right, Mola, thank you.